What if the lights never come back on? Today we push 30 Doomsday-ready tools through real survival scenarios. Water, fire, shelter, power. So you feel the stakes rise, then see what actually holds. From proven knives to silent solar banks, each pick earns its spot with purpose. Here's the twist. A few humble budget pieces outperform the headliners. What? How? Why? Clear, simple, and built for the moment you can't afford to fail. Number 30. Olight Baton 3 Pro Max. 2500 lumen EDC flashlight. A pocket torch with big light attitude. Baton 3 Pro Max delivers high output with a smooth, useful beam, intuitive side switch, and a proximity sensor to dial down power up close. Magnetic tail charging and tail stand ability add convenience around camp or the garage. Grippy machining and weather sealing round it out. It's a good gadget because it's a reliable, carry-friendly light that covers chores, emergencies, and night walks. Powerful when you need it, compact when you don't. Number 29. Survivor Filter Pro Hand Pump Water Filter. Pump clean water from lakes, rivers, or buckets. The PRO's staged filtration targets particulates and microbes, with replaceable elements to extend service life. The compact hand pump, intake hose, and output hose let you fill bottles or bladders without getting shoreline grime in your gear. It's a good gadget because it's field maintainable, fast, and proven. Ideal as a base camp or home emergency filter when you need volume and control, not just sip-on-the-go convenience. Number 28. UCO Flat Pack Portable Stainless Steel Grill and Fire Pit. Dinner and heat from a fold-flat platform. The flat pack opens quickly into a stable grill/fire pit that keeps flames contained and off the ground. Stainless steel construction shrugs off heat and weather, and the included grill grate handles coffee pots or cast iron. Packs down slim for vehicles or backpacks. It's a good gadget because it makes controlled fires and simple cooking possible anywhere. Safer, cleaner, and faster than improvised pits when it's wet, rocky, or restricted. Number 27. BioLite Charge 40 PD, 10,000 mAh, power bank. Trail tough energy with travel-friendly size. The Charge 40 PD offers USB-C power delivery and USB-A for topping off phones, headlamps, GPS units, and radios. A durable, grippy housing resists packwear, and straightforward LED indicators keep status clear. It plays nicely with solar and wall charging alike. It's a good gadget because dependable compact power extends your comms and lighting without sacrificing weight. Ideal as a dedicated headlamp/phone bank in your EDC or go bag. Number 26. 1 Tigris Wild Rocket 45 liter Bushcraft Backpack. A carry platform designed for firecraft and field living. The Wild Rocket's rugged fabric, padded straps, and load lifters handle weight comfortably, while exterior lashing and molle let you mount axes, tarps, and pouches. A clamshell main compartment and organizer pockets, speed access to stoves, cordage, and first aid. It's a good gadget because it's purpose-built for modular packing. Dial in a clean, quiet carry that keeps essential bushcraft tools ready without digging or dangling. Number 25. MIRA Safety. Geiger 2 Portable Dosimeter. Awareness is everything in radiological events. The Geiger 2 is a compact dosimeter built for everyday carry with a clear display, intuitive menus, and long battery life. It monitors dose and dose rate, alerting you when thresholds are reached so you can avoid hotspots and track exposure over time. It's a good gadget because it translates invisible risk into actionable data. Crucial for nuclear plant incidents, fallout mapping, or checking contaminated goods when you need information, not guesswork. Number 24. Gerber Gear Strong Arm Fixed Blade Knife. Trusted by service members and overlanders alike, the Strong Arm's aggressive pommel doubles for glass breaking, while the versatile sheath mounts horizontal, vertical, or molle. The corrosion-resistant full-tang blade takes abuse and keeps cutting. Ergonomics shine under pressure with secure grip and excellent control. It's a good gadget because redundancy in blades is smart. This proven fixed blade stands up to prying, batoning, and emergency entry, giving your kit a dependable cutting tool you won't baby in the field. Number 23. Leatherman Signal 19-in-1 Multi-Tool. A backcountry problem solver with real survival chops. Signal packs pliers, saw, hammer surface, and bit driver with outdoor-centric add-ons, ferro rod, whistle, and diamond sharpener. One-hand blade access and carabiner/clip carry keep it ready. Leatherman's build quality and 25-year support add confidence. It's a good gadget because it consolidates repair tools and survival essentials into a single belt-ready platform. Exactly what you want when gear fails, weather turns, or you need to cut, fix, and fire up camp fast. Number 22. NEBO. Transcend 1500 rechargeable headlamp. From campsite to crisis, this headlamp flips between a wide flood for close work and a focused beam for distance. The rechargeable design, pivoting head, and adjustable strap dial in comfort and angle while a detachable body lets it run as a handheld or clip light. It's a good gadget because it's a multi-role illuminator, freeing your hands for repairs, first aid, or map work, and then detaching to serve as a utility torch when you need light from another angle. Number 21, SOL, Fire Light Kit and Dry Bag. Ignition and organization in one, sized for ultralight kits. The Fire Light Kit pairs weather-resistant tinders with an easy-to-use striker that throws hot sparks fast, and the included dry bag corrals your small survival essentials. Bright colors aid visibility in a ransacked pack. It's a good gadget because redundancy in fire starting is priceless. This compact kit gives you dependable spark and tinder plus waterproof storage, so your ability to make heat and cook never depends on a single tool. Number 20. Gerber Strong Arm Fixed Blade Knife. A modern survival classic. The Strong Arm's full-tang, ceramic-coated blade is built for heavy cutting and prying, while the rubberized diamond texture handle locks in grip under wet, cold, or gloved hands. The modular sheath mounts MOLLE, drop leg, or belt for adaptable carry. It's a good gadget because it's tough, serviceable, and mission flexible, handling camp chores, emergency egress, and defensive tasks with the kind of durability you want when you only get to bring one fixed blade. Number 19. Anchor 555, Portable Power Station. Serious off-grid capacity in a portable shell. The Anchor 555 1024 watt-hours powers fridges, CPAPs, laptops, radios, and lights with multiple AC and DC outputs, pure sine wave stability, and a clear status screen. Recharge from wall, car, or compatible solar panels. Life P04 cells offer long cycle life and enhanced safety. It's a good gadget because it bridges short outages and multi-day camps, keeping comms, cold storage, and critical devices online when the grid can't. Number 18. Garmin InReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator, your lifeline beyond cell service. The InReach Mini 2 provides two-way satellite messaging, location sharing, and interactive SOS via the Iridium network. Pair with the Garmin Explore app for maps and planning, or run it solo to save phone power. Excellent battery life, and a tough, water-resistant build suit, harsh routes. It's a good gadget because it keeps family informed and rescue reachable, essential for remote travel, bug-out routes, and disaster comms. Number 17. Sawyer. Products SP2129, Micro Squeeze Water Filter. Proven 0.1 micron absolute filtration in a travel light package. The Micro Squeeze threads onto standard bottles, includes squeeze pouches, and can run inline on hydration systems. With regular backflushing, it's rated for massive throughput. Field use is simple. Fill, squeeze, drink. It's a good gadget because it's versatile across day hikes, vehicle kits, and emergency bins, giving you dependable bacteria/protozoa protection without batteries, chemicals, or bulky housings. Number 16. Exotac NanoSpark One-Handed Fire Starter. A compact single-handed spark machine with clever tinder storage. The NanoSpark throws hot sparks with a knurled thumb wheel, even when dexterity is compromised by cold or gloves. Pair it with Exotac tinder, or your own, stashed in the body. Durable aluminum construction shrugs off pocket abuse. It's a good gadget because it delivers fast, reliable ignition in the smallest footprint, perfect as a primary or backup in every pack and pocket. Number 15. Olight Warrior 3S. Rechargeable Tactical Flashlight. The Warrior 3S blends high output, proximity sensor safety, and a two-stage tail switch for instant turbo or strobe. Side indicators show mode and battery, and magnetic charging snaps on quickly. Aggressive knurling and IPX8 sealing keep it grippy and weather tough. It's a good gadget because it's fast, bright, and smart, ideal for defensive carry, search tasks, and camp security without fiddly UI when adrenaline spikes. Number 14. Phoenix PD36R Pro Rechargeable Tactical Flashlight. A do-it-all duty light. The PD36R Pro delivers high output with excellent runtime from a 21,700 battery, selectable with a tactile dual tail switch, USB-C fast charging, a battery level indicator, and IP68 durability keep it ready for hard weather and long nights. The balanced beam works for search and up-close tasks alike. It's a good gadget because it marries reliability with ergonomics, simple controls, strong throw, and endurance for patrols, bug-outs, and home readiness. Number 13. Rovivon Aurora, a 5G4 USB-C keychain flashlight, a micro EDC with macro features. The translucent A5G4 packs a bright main LED, auxiliary side LEDs, often UV/white/red variants, and one-handed operation into a featherweight body that glows in the dark. USB-C charging makes top-ups easy, and the clip loop carry options fit any kit. It's a good gadget because it covers close-range tasks, map reading, tent work, gear ID without dragging down your pockets, and the extra side lights add utility for identification and signaling. Number 12. Morikini of Garberg Survival Stainless Steel. A full-tang workhorse from Sweden. The Garberg S uses tough stainless steel with a Scandi grind for confident carving, notching, and feathering. The survival kit variant pairs the knife with a ferro rod and integrated sharpener, while the spine throws sparks cleanly. Multiple sheath options, polymer/multi-mount, adapt to belts and packs. It's a good gadget because it's a reliable, low-maintenance fixed blade that handles food prep to firecraft. Exactly what you want when conditions deteriorate. Number 11. BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus Foldable Solar Panel. Turn sunlight into survival power. The Solar Panel 10 Plus features a 360-degree kickstand and integrated sundial to optimize angle, plus a built-in 3,200 mAh battery to store charge. Dual outputs keep phones, headlamps, and radios topped off. Its slim, rugged design packs easily in day packs. It's a good gadget because it adds quiet, renewable energy to your kit. Ideal for multi-day bug-outs, campsite comms, and topping up GPS or lights without relying on wall power. Number 10. ThruNite Catapult Mini Pro. Rechargeable flashlight. The Catapult Mini Pro is a compact thrower that punches far above its weight, projecting a tight hotspot for long-distance ID. It features multiple brightness levels, a durable aluminum body, and USB-C charging for fast turnarounds between outings. Thermal regulation and low modes help extend runtime. It's a good gadget because it gives you serious reach in a palm-sized light, perfect for mapping routes, spotting trail reflectors, and coordinating from distance during night operations. Number 9. NEBO LUXTREME Nano Pocket Light. Tiny body, long throw. The LUXTREME Nano puts a precision spotlight in your pocket with impressive range for its size. Multiple modes let you scale brightness, while a built-in rechargeable battery and USB-C port simplify power management. A pocket clip and rugged, weather-resistant housing make it EDC-friendly. It's a good gadget because it offers true distance illumination from a keychain-class form factor, ideal for trail markers, gear checks, and quick perimeter scans without hauling a larger torch. Number 8. Goal Zero Torch 500 Rechargeable Flashlight. A blackout multi-tool in light form. The Torch 500 combines a focused spotlight, wide flood lantern, and red emergency mode in a rugged, water-resistant body. Recharge via USB-C or top-mounted solar panel, then use the built-in USB output to top up a phone or headlamp. An integrated stand and hooks make shelter lighting easy. It's a good gadget because it's an all-in-one illumination and power backup, perfect for cars, kits, and base camps when storms or grid failures hit. Number 7. Nitecore NB10000 Gen 2 Ultra Slim Power Bank. Featherweight juice for critical devices. The NB10000's carbon fiber reinforced shell and slim profile disappear in a pocket, yet provide fast USB-C/USB-A charging for headlamps, phones, and GPS units. Low current mode supports wearables and small lights, extending your kit's runtime. It's a good gadget because it adds reliable, weather-resistant power without bulk. Ideal for EDC, evacuation bags, and multi-day missions where every gram counts. Number 6. Catadin Be-Free 1.0 liter. Ultralight collapsible water filter bottle. Scoop, squeeze, sip. The Be-Free's 0.1 micron hollow fiber element delivers fast, fresh water right from the source, and the soft flask collapses to nothing when empty. The easy, clean membrane flushes with a simple shake or swish. No tools needed. It's a good gadget because it streamlines water stops on the trail or during evacuation, letting you drink on the move without bulky reservoirs or complex setups. Number 5. MIRA Safety Full-face gas mask. Panoramic visibility, robust seals, and 40mm NATO filter compatibility make the CM6M a go-to for serious preparedness. The wide lens preserves situational awareness, while an ergonomic harness and voice diaphragm support communication under stress. It's a good gadget because it pairs professional-grade protection with field comfort, integrating smoothly with helmets and comms so you can move, see, and coordinate when air quality becomes a threat. Number 4. Off-Grid Tools Survival Axe Elite. One tool, many solves. The Survival Axe Elite blends a hatchet, hammer, pry bar, hex wrenches, and a fold-out saw into a compact, MOLLE-friendly package. Its reinforced head and full-featured handle help you chop, split, breach, and improvise repairs without digging through a toolbox. It's a good gadget because it gives you serious versatility in one rugged frame, ideal for emergency egress, shelter building, and vehicle kits where space and weight are at a premium. Number 3. NEBO LUXTREME SL50 Spotlight. When you need eyes far down range, the LUXTREME SL50 answers with a concentrated, long throw beam and multiple modes for search and signaling. The aluminum body, weather resistance, and USB-C charging make it a no-nonsense field tool. Side LEDs add close-up flood for map reading or camp chores. It's a good gadget because it covers both long-distance spotting and near-field tasks, reducing the number of lights you need to carry while boosting your nighttime capability. Number 2. GRAYL UltraPress. Titanium, 16.9 ounces. water purifier and filter bottle. Press, drink, move. The UltraPress. Thai pairs GRAYL's award-winning purification with a rugged titanium vessel you can boil in or heat on coals. One press removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, particulates, and many chemicals. No hoses or sucking required. The wide lid and integrated cup loop play nice with carabiners and stoves. It's a good gadget because it gives you fast, field-ready purification plus cookpot durability in one tool, trimming pack weight while boosting resilience for uncertain water sources. Number 1. ThruNite Catapult Pro Rechargeable Flashlight. When the grid goes dark, throw a beam that actually reaches. The ThruNite Catapult Pro blasts out serious lumens with a tight, long-range hotspot ideal for search, signaling, or perimeter checks. A robust aluminum body, deep heat-dissipating fins, and USB-C rechargeability make it a dependable Doomsday torch. Multiple modes, including Turbo and Firefly, let you preserve power or punch through fog and rain. It's a good gadget because it mixes extreme throw with everyday practicality. So one light covers camp chores, emergencies, and long-distance identification. That's our 30-piece survival lineup, tested, trimmed, and ready for the moments that matter. If this helped you build a smarter bug-out bag, tap like to push it to more preppers, drop a comment with your number 1 pick or a tool we missed, and hit subscribe for deeper field tests and budget alternatives. Stay sharp out there. Mindset first, gear second, and I'll see you on the next run.